Today we're going to be using the microwave egg cooker. My daughter just asked me to make some scrambled eggs, and this is what I love to use. This is the microwave egg cooker. Yes, I know it looks like a cat dish or a dog dish for food, but it is not. So what we're going to do first is put a little bit of butter in each well, and then we're going to put this in the microwave for 10 seconds and just let that butter melt up. And while it's doing that, put that in the microwave. And while it's doing that, we're going to get some eggs. One egg. And that's done already. How about that? And then we'll put 2 eggs. Get rid of those in a minute. Wipe off my hands. And then we'll put a little bit of milk in, because I like to add milk. And then we're just going to mix up the eggs. Okay. And then what I'm actually going to use is our microwave grips. This helps get the whatever dish you're getting out of the microwave so that you do not burn your hands. It looks like a pair of lips. I'm going to get the egg cooker out of the microwave. And what I'm going to do is pour some of the egg over here. Pour some of the egg over here. I could have put it in just one well, but I just wanted to show you two. So then what we're going to do is put this in the microwave for 2 minutes, and whenever it comes out, it'll come up all cooked and fluffy, and the scrambled eggs are ready.